All right, here's NSCAS Part 7, Paired Passage Questions. Paired passage means you're going to be comparing two passages. So please reread New School, New Friend and The Same Moon. I know you've read them once. Please reread them and then compare them. On the number 1, you're going to compare what is the genre of these two stories. Are they fantasy? Are they autobiography? Are they realistic fiction or historical fiction? And then what evidence supports your answer to part A? So which one of these supports your answer? And then you answer them here. Row 1 is for part A and row 2 is for part B. And then here's another question about those same two passages. And for part A, what do Diego and Marisol have in common according to these stories? So one character from each story. And then part B is what is different between the two characters. Row 1 for part A, row 2 for part B. Then you're going to compare the stories The Incredible Human Brain, please reread it, and The World's Newest Country. Please reread it. Then here are your questions. Which statement best describes the author's purpose for writing these two passages? To inform, explain, persuade, or entertain, and then find your evidence. Row 1 for part A, part B with row 2. And then question 2, what is the genre of these two passages and what evidence supports your answer? And here's where you answer. Do your best.